Hello guys, hope you are doing well. So today we are going to discuss the problem permutation second under the backtracking tag. So I have already discussed from problems from 1 to 6 and that is uploaded on my YouTube channel under backtracking playlist. So today we are going to discuss the problem permutation second permutation problem. So let's see what is in this problem. Okay, so this problem is given a collection of numbers that might contains duplicate. So return all possible unique permutation. So the previous problem that we have solved is like all the integers in that problem are given are unique. So the only difference is that like in the previous problem where there are no duplicates, we are swapping each element with every other element. Okay. So but here are duplicates as well. So to get unique permutation we should make sure that we are not going to swap the same element with its other occurrence. Okay, so if we can avoid that, then we get the unique number of permutations. So there is only one difference from the permutation 1 and permutation 2. So in the permutation 1 we are swapping every element with every other element in the list, or you can say like in the array. Okay, but here we have to make sure that we are not going to swap the current element with its other instances or other occurrences. So we have to take care of that. So how we are going to take care of that? We can keep a set actually before making a call. Before adding any element to our solution space, we should add it to set as well, so that if we are going to like swap it with other element, then if we check like if the element under consideration is able to be swapped with other element, then we have to check if other element is same as our element under consideration. So if it is the same, then we don't swap it actually. So let's implement this approach here. So we'll do like as we did in the previous case. We should return the output in the list of integer. So we'll create that. Let's say answer new array list, and here we'll check for null case. If nums equal to null, or nums dot length equal to 0, then simply return the answer empty list. And now we'll create a list and add all integers to it, and let's name it candidate new array list. Now I am going to add all the elements from the array to list. X. And as we start swapping of the elements from the 0th index, so we'll call our backtracking function. Let's name it solve and call it from 0th index and pass the candidate as we did in the previous example. And in the end we should return the answer array. So let's implement this solve function. So it have index and it have list of integer list, that is candidate. So we know that if we have added all the elements, then we got one permutation. So we'll check that if idx equal to candidate dot length, candidate dot size, then we know that we got we got one candidate permutation. So we'll add that into our answer. We have added that and simply return it from here. And now we have to take a set to remove the duplicate permutations and duplicate elements to be added or swapped with the same element. So int I equal to idx I less than candidate dot length size I plus plus. So we check if our set dot contains candidate dot get I. If it doesn't contain, then we add it to the set and swap the element of candidate I with idx, and then call the recursively for the rest of the candidate elements. And again the backtrack the change to give chance to the other element to be swapped. Now let's run this program. So yeah, it is running perfectly fine. So let's submit it. So yeah, it is accepted. So hope you have enjoyed this video and got the difference between permutation 1 and permutation 2. So in permutation 1 there is given that all the integers are unique, and in the permutation 2 it is given that some elements might repeat. So and we have to output the unique permutation in the second case. So and there are also duplicates, so I have taken and set and remove the duplicate permutations and duplicate swap. So hope you have understand this concept. Thank you for watching.